All right, we're gonna take a look at this Python keylogger script written. You all know what a keylogger is. It pretty much logs the strokes that you have on the keyboard and the keys. And what I'm gonna do is kind of explain some of the code that's in here, and basically break some of it down so you understand what a keylogger is actually doing. So we'll start. This one's written in Python, so we'll start from the top, right? Obviously, import PyHook is just importing PyHook. .com, etc., etc. From date time import, it's just the time and date, etc., etc. So the way this one is written is showing you the file name and where the logs are going to go. I'm going to get to the more important things. This isn't going to be a long video. The more important things that you'll see in a keylogger script that's written. Save line to file. This area you see right here. You understand that this is kind of logging the days. The days is what's keeping your date. You keylog for that day, keylog for this day, the next day, etc., etc., etc. So that's pretty important because people go back. Anybody who wants to spy on people like that, they want to know which day did you type this, this, and that, which date and time. Now, here's where we get cool. On keyboard event. If you don't right off the bat know what that's saying, this whole thing is kind of looking at the value of what you typed and telling it to grab that, copy that, save that, put that in the file. This is your strokes. A stroke, a type, anything is a keyboard event. Then, if you switch windows, it's telling the program what to do if you change windows and decide to type into another window, saying go and grab that too. It's almost self-explanatory. Well, I say that because I've seen it like a million times. But anyway, it's telling it if you try to type in another window, go look at that and copy that too. If you hit return, if you hit tab, all these things, just copy these things. That's basically what you're seeing here. If backspace, do this. If it's this type of character or a different character, copy it to here and there. You also see some of the hook managers. So the hook managers, this is what it is. It's hooking that information in, like a fish, grabbing that information, saying go grab that. A lot of keyloggers, this one I didn't write. You should have wrote in it was the mouse hooks, but you could also add the mouse hooks below this or before or whatever, and that's going to grab your mouse clicks. So think of programs like Time Doctor, programs that employers use to spy on employees, basically. They're gonna, if they're written in Python, they're gonna have these hooks that are grabbing your clicks. Sometimes they like to count your clicks, and then they consider you clicking the button productivity. Of course, you can always write a mouse click. You can write a mouse clicking program to just fake like you're there if you want to too. So all these things can be tricked. But basically, this is what a keylogger script looks like, written in Python. You got your import, you got it grabbing the dates, you have it defining and saving which lines it wants to, defining what a keyboard event is, telling it to print that character into the file, and telling it what to do if you tab, return, backspace, etc., etc., and the hooks that it's grabbing. It has to have a hook manager. Those are the key things to remember. But if you haven't seen one before, this is what it is. If you're interested in this, they're out there. Keylogger scripts are out there all over the place in Python.